Hi, greetings. My name is Maksudul. I am a technical support at E1 Solution. In this recording, I will walk through the steps to adding dimensions to Business Central lists. We have documentation for these steps. Let's head over to Popdock. In Popdock, let's go to the menu, click on Connectors, search for the Business Central connector. I have several connectors configured in my Popdock. I'm going to use the Business Central demo production connector for this demo. Go ahead and edit the connector. Switch to the list option. Click on the add list. Search for the dimension value. Select the dimension value. Add to the list. So I have the dimension set value list added to the list. Next step is to adding Business Central dimensions to a list. For this demo, I'm going to use the general ledger entry list. Click on edit. From the field, I can add dimension to this list now. I click add dimension. Search for dimension set ID, customer group, department, packaging type, and vendor group are the dimension available to add to this list. I'll go ahead and add. You can click on type and I can see customer group, department are added to this list. Let's go ahead and run this list from the main menu. Add a new tab, Business Central Production, Group Financial, General Ledger Entry. Click on Add. Click on Columns. Show Field Types. You can see the dimensions are here. I'm going to select all the dimension. And we can see all the dimension are added to the list. I hope this short recording was helpful. Thank you very much.